Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Yuda Suhaimi. My number is 1X073017. I am from automotive engineering. This is a system of car engines. A car engine exit products a lot of heat when it is running and must be controlled by a powered engine dynamics. Generally, this is done by circulating coolant liquid or jelly water mixed with an antifreeze solution to set special cooling pressure to engines air cooled by air blowing over finite cylinder casing. How the coolant circulator. A typical water cooling system with an engine-driven fan, not the bypass hose stacking up hot coolant for the heater. The pressure can on the expansion tank has a spring-loaded pipe which open about a certain pressure. A water-cooled cooling system. A water-cooled engine block and cylinder head have internal coolant channels running the truck stem and at the top of the cylinder. Head all the channel compressed to a single outlet, a pump driven by a pulley and belt from the crankshaft. Delivers hot coolant of the engines to the radiator, which is a form of, of heads. And just unwanted heat is passed from the radiator into the airstream, and the cooled liquid the return to an inlet at the bottom of the block on plow black into the channel again. Usually the pump sends coolant up through the engines and down through the radiator, taking advantage and the fact that hot water expand becomes lecture and research about cool water when heated. Its natural tendency is to blow upward and the pump assists circulation. The radiator is linked to the engine by rubber hoses and has a top and bottom tank connected by a car a bank of manifold tops. The tops fast truck house in a stack of jean sheet metal fins so that the car has a very flat surface area and can lose heavy rapidly to the colder air passing through it. On older cars, the tubes run vertically, but modern low-fronted cars have cross-flow radiators with tubes that run from side to side. In an engine at its ordinary working temperature, the coolant is only just below normal boiling point. The risk of boiling is avoided by increasing the pressure in the system, which raises the boiling point. The extra pressure is limited by the radiator cap, which has a pressure plate in it. Excessive pressure opens the valve and coolant flow out through an overflow pipe. In a cooling system of this type, there is a continual slack loss of coolant if the engine runs very hot. The system needs topping up from time to time. Laser gas. have a silent system in which any overflow goes into an expansion tank, from which it is sucked back to in the engine when the remaining liquid cools. How the plant head. The radiator needs a constant flow of air through its core to cool in adequately when the car is moving. This happens anyway. But when it is stormy or fan is used to have the air flow, the fan might be driven by the engine, but until the engine is working hard, it is not to overcome this. Some cars have a viscous coupling of fluid glass worked by a temperature-sensitive valve that uncovers the pan until the coolant temperature reaches a set point. To let the engine warm up quickly, the radiator is closed up with a thermostat, usually seated above the palm. The thermostat has a valve worked by a chamber filled with wax. When the engine warms up, the wax mass expands and pushes the pipe open, allowing coolant to flow through the radiator. When the engine stops and cools, the pipes close again. When the engine stops and cools, the pipe closes again. Water expands what it presses, and if the water in engine presses, it is can burst to block a radiator. So, Saint Press usually intelligent call is that the water to lower its pressing point to a safe level until freezes shall not be drained in summer. It can normally be left in for 2 or 3 years. Air cooling torque speeds. Pins on car cooling cylinder of wider at the top, where the most has incinerated horizontal coolant engine having cooling that's the pins. Pins on and coolant cylinder air, whether at the top where most stop is generated. Frequently, a duct runs all around the pins and engine-driven fan bow out, so the duct to take heat away from the pins. A temperature-sensitive fan controls the amount of being pushed around by the fan and keeps the temperature constant even in cold days. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.